Hey guys, what's happening? I've been working around crypto testing platforms for about 7 years at this point, and honestly, the legitimate service situation has gotten genuinely terrible. Everywhere you look online, YouTube ads, Google search results, social media promotions, it's just flooded with scam apps. I'd estimate conservatively that 92% of Flash USDT platforms out there are fraudulent in some capacity. Finding trustworthy providers at this point feels nearly impossible, but a few legitimate ones still exist if you're willing to dig deep and verify everything. Flash USDT is among the rare platforms that's actually delivered consistently. So let me explain how Flash USDT technology actually functions when implemented legitimately. What you're doing is generating tokens that mirror authentic Tether perfectly within crypto environment. Matching logo design, identical ticker symbols, renders exactly like the real thing would, but you're defining transfer quantity allowances, setting expiration time frames, and configuring daily transaction caps. It's extremely useful for testing. So let me demonstrate this operating live. Okay, first selection here is token quantity. 4 packaged here showing, each displays pricing and recommended scenarios. Let's take this package. Good. So now I'm setting visibility duration. It ranges from 1 hour to 7 days, and for this walkthrough, going with 24 hours. Okay, next I'm inputting target address and choosing generation network. So selecting ERC20, then switching to wallet, copying my address, back to get Flash, pasting it, and yeah, perfect. Final step is hitting buy Flash. Good. So payment options are direct transfer or wallet connection, so I'll try first method. Give me a sec. And yes, excellent. 100K tokens generated and sent, so now just waiting for a balance update. So while confirmation happens, let me explain why this platform specifically earned my confidence, and it's completely based on getting scanned repeatedly before finding legitimate operation. So first major financial hit happened around 5 years ago. Discovered app called Tether Flash Network, absolutely everywhere online. Huge advertising campaign, looked completely established, so I invested roughly $360 on their expert package, assuming price indicated legitimacy. Tokens appeared in their dashboard looking perfect, system showed successful generation, interface displayed everything working smoothly. Attempted independent verification via Blockchain Explorer though, completely nothing. No transaction hashes visible, no smart contract activity, purely fake numbers in an isolated system. Contacted support repeatedly, received 1 automated acknowledgement, then complete silence afterward. Website continued collecting payments another 4 months before disappearing overnight. Pure exit scam. Scam sophistication has evolved dramatically. Many fraudulent platforms now exhibit more professional polish than legitimate services actually do. Your protection relies entirely on verification practices, not aesthetic trust or professional appearances. Always independently confirm blockchain activity through public explorers before trusting platforms claiming blockchain functionality. If transactions they claim exist don't appear in publicly accessible blockchain explorers anyone worldwide can verify, it's fraud regardless of interface quality or professional branding. Legitimate operations maintain absolute transparency because real blockchain activity is happening publicly with nothing requiring concealment. Pricing psychology understanding matters significantly too. Sophisticated scammers deliberately employ premium pricing strategies specifically to appear more credible and established while delivering zero actual value. Always begin with absolute minimum investment possible, verify exhaustively through multiple independent sources, never increase commitment based solely on positive initial experience without extended multi-month verification period. Most sophisticated fraud operations function perfectly initially deliberately to establish trust before implementing exit scam or revealing hidden limitations rendering service completely worthless. Links in the pinned comment and description. Approach this with extreme caution. Verify every single claim independently through neutral sources. Never accept platforms' own interfaces as proof of anything. Develop practical skills here safely. Avoid costly, painful lessons I experienced personally. Share your results after testing. Later, guys.